Hello guys, we are in sunny Florida. We are here at our condo hotel, or not really, it's not a hotel, it's an apartment. So I thought I would give you guys a little tour. It's actually much bigger than what I thought it was going to be, and I just kind of found something that was really inexpensive but had enough space for all 7 of us because my parents are coming too. So I'm going to show you guys a little tour of the room, I guess. Okay, so when you come in the door, this is the living space, and then these are pull-out beds. There's a big dining area over here, and then we have like a little room out there, a little patio. Okay, back to the door, and then here's the first bedroom, and there's 2 beds in here. So there's a dresser, TV, bathroom, and a walk-in closet, and then there's like a little extra area over there, which is nice for if you have lots of bags. I wanted to make sure we had like a little kitchen, so we have a really tiny little kitchen, but it'll work just fine. Alright, and then this is mine and Robert's room. My parents are going to share the room with the 2 youngest, and Michael's sleeping on a couch. On one of the pull-up beds. So here's this one, and then there is a bathroom right here, and then this also has a walk-in closet right there. But it's nice though that like, so if you look out this window, you can see the beach, and then we're gonna go back this way to the little balcony patio, and there's a closet right there also, another walk-in closet. So there's lots of storage space in it. This is actually really spacious. But so there's the pool, and then there is the ocean. So this is where we are at for the week. Are you excited?
Yes!
Okay. So that is our hotel resort tour. I wanted to share with you guys. I always do that whenever we go on vacation. So we are all here now. We're all dressed a little bit warmer because we just came from a little bit colder weather, and it's about 40 degrees warmer here. So yeah, we're waiting on my parents. The boys are going outside to get the bags and unload, and then I'm not sure where we're going, but we have not eaten today, and it's like noon. So we're probably gonna get some lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video as a little tour, and then I'll start my vlogging for the week, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.